worms like
Okay, don't
dark.
put it on the pig.
I want you to uncover your dish. You don't have to touch it.
It's not going to come out of the container.
Yeah, yours is pretty young. Okay. First, another thing, I'm going to show you my interest.
You want to try?
The mouth is right here. It's darker than
Which end do you think the mouth is? Remember how she talked about it? Yes, you're right.
Watch it, he'll give him time and he'll scoot underneath that dark area because he doesn't like the light.
Okay, that's the front end. Look how he moves. He stretches. You want to try and put it over here and measure? Wow! Look at that! That's bigger than ours. This is the longest one?
Go back in there. Right down, Mr.
So what about your worm head for breakfast? That one needs a bigger container.
Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs now.
Bacon and eggs? I think that worm had some dirt. Can you see the wiggly stuff? There's his intestines. Isn't that cool?
when it crawls and tickles.
Because of those little hairs.
Feel those seeds in right
He's
there.
tired.
Oh, this is his food.
Yeah,
The
you can
dirt.
feel those
The
hairs.
dirt that's in there is his food.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Did you feel yours?
Yes.
It tickles. It tickles. Put it on your arm?
Look at this one. It's like sticking on the finger.
His name is Worm?
I'm so proud of
Is that wonderful? Oh, Mr. Worm. Okay.